If you want to show relationships between your cards, Cardsmith lets you create connectors. Go to the card menu, choose Link To. The card you're linking from gets a little colored glow on it, and then the next card you click on will be the one that's linked. Now, the first time you create a connector, the default is a straight line. You can go to the connector menu and choose to change that to a curved line. Then Cardsmith will remember your choice the next time you create a new connector. If you move the cards, of course, the connector moves with you. The connector will also stick to the most convenient side of the card automatically. You can also add arrows to either end of the line or both to indicate a dependency of some kind or steps that need to happen in a certain order. You can give the connector a different color as well. This is a great way to differentiate between different processes, for example. Optionally, you can also give the connector a label to make the relationship type more obvious.